Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Leica, and let me share with you how to turn on the OTG connection of this device. So if for some reason your device didn't do it manually, all you have to do is to go to the settings. Here let's scroll all the way down to find additional settings. And here scroll all the way down again to find the OTG. Let's stop. So whenever you'd like to turn it on, simply plug in the OTG, the Type-C cable. As you can see, in my case, it was inactive because I had my charger plugged in. But now all we have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and this option is active. Basically, if you'd like to turn it off, you can either turn it off manually just by tapping on the switcher again, or you can simply leave it turned on because it will turn off automatically after 10 minutes of inactivity. So when it is not in use, your device will automatically turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.